Ew. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be cleaning the soft top drain holes on this 2002 Toyota MR2. Those drain holes are located behind the side vents. Now, the short version of doing this is just pulling out the side vents like you see on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying that's wrong or I'm not criticizing anyone doing this, but I'm giving a different approach. My approach is going by the rear panel behind the rear wheel so we can try not to break the tabs and retainer clips of the side vents. It may take a little more time and patience in doing this, but I assure you it's worth it if you can save the tabs and retainer clips. With the wheel of the car, we can take off the rear fender liner by taking off the screws and the retaining clips. With this fender liner, it goes all the way to the bottom, and there is a retainer clip at the bottom holding it in place. So don't forget to take that off also. Move the fender liner out of the way, and now you can reach in and unhook the tabs of the side vents. Now you can't really see it by sight, but you can definitely feel it.
$2,000 later.
Starting to regret this. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. All right. See, we saved all the tabs and retainer clips. That's what I wanted. It just takes a lot of patience. I almost regretted this. Now we can access the drain hole through this flap, and you can see it's full of gunk. Ew. So you can snake it with a guitar string like I would be doing, or you can vacuum it or use something to poke it out. Just whatever you do, just get all those gunk out. So just a quick update, I just found out that if you pull straight out, you can actually pull this whole thing out, so it would be easier to clean the drain. After removing all the dirt and debris from the drain hole, put back the tip of the drain hole. It should just snap back in. Here you go. Nice and clean. Clean the side vent area, and now we can put back the side vent by sliding it from the rear and snapping back all the tabs that we saved. Ta-da! Nice. Now put back the fender liner in its place, then start putting back the screws and the retainer clips. Start with the one in the bottom that we removed last. And that is how you clean the soft top drain holes on this 2002 Toyota MR2 without breaking the tabs or retainer clips of the side vents. So that has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Sarja. Thank you for watching.